Okay, Etsy sellers, here's something that nobody told me when I opened up my shop 4 years ago. If you open up your shop in another country, your language might not be what you suspect it to be. I lived in Sicily when I opened up mine, and as you can see, all my English is actually described as Italian. This means that I now have to go to the settings, languages and translations, and I manually have to translate everything in my shop. I already spoke to Etsy, but they say that they can't just automatically state that my Italian is English, and this has a big impact on my listings. Since all my listings are written in English, but the system is registering it as Italian, my SEO is not working. So I have to translate everything down below. I'll just scroll down. And luckily I found a really easy way of doing that using ChatGPT. If you are struggling with the same issue, I wrote down the prompts that I originally used, but it's easy to fix. Because now that I want to translate it, I already have my translation or my original text here. So I'll just copy it and I'll go to my Etsy listing translator, which is what I call my ChatGPT, and I'll just paste it in here. My ChatGPT is already trained to know exactly how I want my listing to look like, and I also included a little about the seller info down below. But as you can see, it will now optimize everything, and I can just start by copy pasting. So I'll copy paste the title, and by using short keys on your keyboard, it's pretty fast to do. So I'll go back and I'll copy my new description here. I do have a few issues because I have to manually remove the bullet points and replace them with something else, but that's easy to do because I'll just move down and remove all these gaps. Not that one. And then I will just type in whatever I want, while also securing that it is writing the correct info. It does take a bit to train the ChatGPT to make it exactly how you want your description to look like, but I'm really happy that I can use ChatGPT for this. Otherwise I would simply die if I had to manually copy paste 700 listings. So now that I am done with the description, I can go back and I can pick up the tags, copy paste, add, and publish. Now my listing is published with an English translation, which means that US and English speaking people can actually find my listing now. Once I am done with all of them, I will write to Etsy again that they can update my shop and choose my main language as English instead of Italian. So in case you opened up your shop abroad, make sure to check your language before you have to deal with translating too many of your listings. Let me know if you want some additional help with SEO or something else. Just leave a comment below and I'll see what I can do.